National Doctor Day 2021. Pandemic has once again reminded us about the contribution and sacrifice made by doctors and healthcare workers around the globe. Doctors have been fighting a long war for the frontiers against the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, saving lives at the cost of their own to pay a tribute to the selfish works done by doctors and to honor the dedication towards serving the humanity. The Government of India, along with the Indian Medical Association, a national volunteer organization of the doctors in the country, celebrate National Doctor Day on July 1st every year. With the pandemic still far from over, this day is important to honor many doctors who have survived their lives in the last year. There is all you need to know about the National Doctor Day. History. The day was first observed in 1991 in the honor of the former Bengal Chief Minister Dr. B.C. Roy to reorganize his contribution to serving humanity. Dr. Roy was a great doctor who made an enormous contribution to the medical field. He was born on July 1, 1882 and died on a similar date in 1962. He was confirmed with the honor of Bharat Ratna on February 1961. He played a significant role in establishing medical institutes. He was also called the first medical consultant in the subcontinent of the India who towards his contemporaries in several fields of British Medical Journal. National Doctor Day 2021 theme: Save the Saviors. Being trapped in the uncomfortable personal protective equipment (PPE) for are every day, treating COVID and non-COVID patients, taking online consultation, dealing with the storage of medical supplies and staff, keeping up with everyday developments in the field of COVID-19 research. The pandemic has been hard on the doctors. During this long fight with COVID, the country has lost over 1,500 doctors to the pandemic, according to the IMA. This includes 736 doctors during the first wave and 798 doctors since the first week of April till July 29. The highest number of deaths among the doctors have been reported from Delhi 128, followed by Bihar 115. It is important to note here that its actual figure related to the death to doctors during COVID-19 may be higher as IMA only keeps a record of its 3.27 lakh members. With an aim to dedicate the day to the doctors who succumbed to COVID-19, the theme of the day is Year in the Save the Warriors. National Doctor Day 2021 significance. The National Doctor Day is to observe, to pay heed towards the medical doctor role and responsibility in serving lives. The day is supposed to reorganize their functions. Amid the COVID-19 outbreak, when the incident have eliminated tremendously, the medical doctor have been working 24/7 their lives and making an attempt to save a server life. Instead of thinking about their own safety and their family safety, they choose to serve the nation. Kudos to their script and dedication that they continued the work powerful in the hour of crisis.